Good evening, it's Crazy Cheap Chick, and it's about 8 o'clock and 95 degrees where I live. You know, tonight it was so hot, I just didn't feel like cooking, and I definitely didn't want to cook anything heavy. So I made some Greek-inspired pita pockets, and they had tomatoes and lettuce and feta cheese and olives and fresh cucumbers out of the garden. They were delightful. They turned out fabulous. And I'm not one to really brag on myself, but they were really good. So come on, let me show you how I made them. This is such an easy summer meal to make. Just take a little olive oil and grease a pan and roast some chicken. Now I got this chicken, it was buy one get one free at Dillon's this week, so this was about $3.10 worth of chicken. I'm going to put just a little bit of this Ken's Simply Vinaigrette Greek dressing on the chicken, and I'll probably add just a little bit of water in there as well. Put that in a 375-degree oven until it's done. Probably take about, I don't know, 45-50 minutes. Well, that chicken is baked and ready to be chopped up. I'm getting ready to chop up a cucumber out of the garden. I planted some unusual varieties this year, and I can't remember the name of this one. I think it's an Asian cucumber. It tastes just like regular cucumber though, but it has a kind of an orange skin instead of a green skin. We have our chopped up cucumber, a chopped up tomato, a little bit of lettuce chopped up, some onions chopped up. This is those 2 chicken breasts chopped up. And this pita bread, there's 5 in here. So for like my husband and myself, we'll be eating this for lunch tomorrow as well. But this is enough food to feed a family, like 2 adults and 2 little kids. Also, some olives. Got the feta cheese, looks so good. The tzatziki sauce. And I'm gonna make this ready to serve rice because I'm feeling lazy tonight. And if you wanted to stretch this meal even further, open a can of chickpeas. Heat those up as a side. But this is almost like Greek tacos, isn't it? It's gonna be really good, really refreshing light meal for a summer evening. And of course, I wouldn't be Crazy Cheap Chick if I wasn't saving some of those seeds to plant next year. Now, after you chop up that chicken, just add them back to the drippings because that's what makes it so flavorful. And I've heated up the pita pocket. I know they have a pocket in them, but I usually just fold them. You can also use naan. Naan bread works just as well. Now, isn't that beautiful? I mean, you've got your rice, and then you've got your chicken, and your tomato, and your cucumber, lettuce, your feta, your tzatziki sauce, your olives. Oh man, that is such a good summer meal with that rice. And like I said, you could add some chickpeas if you wanted another side. Well guys, thanks for watching all the way to the end. I hope that you're inspired by this video to go out and make some of these pita pockets because they were really good and pretty cheap, easy, simple. I mean, after a long day of work, it doesn't take long to throw them together. If you got anything out of my video, please give me a like, share, comment, or subscribe. Have a great evening.